What's up, guys? Hey, I'm back. I've been gone for a minute. Actually, I went and took a trip this past weekend to Texas. Went down there for a barbecue competition, the Turn and Burn barbecue competition in Pleasant, Texas. Had an awesome time. The competition is one thing, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about some of the best things about Texas that I like. HEB grocery store. Man, if you ain't never been to HEB grocery store, and I don't care what city in Texas, you missing out. Single-handedly, the best grocery store ever invented in America. Man, I mean, you get anything there, man. I went back and did a little stocking up again. Went down there and got me some of these beautiful Texas sausage. Jalapeno cheddar. These are Opas. I got a few more in the freezer from different companies, but this is just one particular brand I like. Went there, also got some, and excuse my camera work, but I'm gonna work fast. Went to HEB's offset grocery store, which is called Central Market in San Antonio, and got some quail. Come on, man. Quail. Look at that. Quail. They got it all, man. And I'm gonna put an inserted video of some parts of the grocery store that I took a picture of. But man, HEB. And again, lamb ribs. I went back and got 4 packs this time. Lamb ribs, man. Lamb ribs. If you have never had lamb ribs, find you some. They're very fatty, but once you trim them down and season them up real good, you get some good eating out of the lamb ribs. So I brought 4 of them back, man. It was only $10 and this one was $12. You can't get that here in Georgia. I ain't never seen it. So again, if you've never been to Texas, or if you have been to Texas, make it a part of your journey and your trip there to explore the beautiful stuff that hides inside of HEB. Hands down, the best grocery store in America. And let me not forget, we all like to drink. I'm sure some of us do like whiskey. Some of us like Jack and other stuff. But what I found, one of my favorite blended whiskeys that I love to drink when I go to Texas, Texas Ranger, made by Rebecca Creek. This stuff right here is excellent, man. Game changer. So again, I just wanted to share that, man. Went to Texas this past weekend. Went to San Antonio, Houston, Pleasanton, New Brunswick. Had an awesome time, man. But like I said, the caveat of my trip, the best part of my trip was going to HEB, man. So again, I'm gonna show you a little bit of some stuff that went on this past weekend. I got more videos coming. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna do some great videos with this quail, these sausage, and all my findings in Texas, as well as a good video cooking with this whiskey. So y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and again, thank you for coming by my channel and checking me out. This is Eric, and I'm out. Peace.